Okay, so now I'm just going to give a quick tutorial on how to use EducaPlay. So what I have done is I've just copied the link that I've attached in Moodle, and I'm just going to paste that here, and it will bring us straight to it, just as it would in Moodle. Now, so from Moodle we will go to EducaPlay. That will open this box here, a pop-up. Now, and as you can see, I'm not logged into my account at the minute, so yeah, I don't actually need an account to play. So you can see there, author side Niamh Wheel, that's me, and then dictation. So we'll start. And then you'll listen to that word, and you'll say what you think it is, what I've said. Don't be too concerned about spelling. This isn't graded. I just want to know if you have a gist of the words that we're learning. So that was falchion. I'll give you that one. And you can play it over and over again as many times as you like, and then you can go check. So you can go back, play again. If you check, it will bring you out of the game. So we'll start again. Falchion. Next. Gaeilge. Then just on the next line, you can just type in what you think was said there, and so on, and just keep hitting next. And then at the end, you can select check, and you can see whether or not your answers were correct. Okay. So and to create an account, it's not necessary. You'll be able to play. I have the settings on EducaPlay that you can play if you aren't on the site. I have everything set to public. As I'll show now. And then you can go to types of activities. On whatever type I have, so say for example that was dictation. They have videos for a guide for absolutely every activity. So regardless, you can just go to EducaPlay, types of activities, and you'll get a guide for every single one there. Okay, so just look at the name. So here you see dictation, and that's what my task there was. So that's really helpful as well. So I hope that's clear now for you. Thank you very much.